And does the DMM keep improving itself, or how many OutSystems versions are there of how many different OutSystems versions are there of the DMM and or different technology stacks?
Okay. DMM currently supports versions 9, 10 and 11 of OutSystems. And it can even support migrating data between these versions. So another use case is that you have your factory with OutSystems 10, and now you want to set up OutSystems 11, okay? But you don't want to smash your currently OutSystems factory. You want to keep working on it until you are confident that the new factory is ready to production. Okay. This is one common scenario. What you do, or what you can do, is that okay, then just start new servers or new machines with the OutSystems 11 environment, deploy my applications there, make some tests that they are okay, and now I have all my data, my information in the previous version. So what I will need to do is to move the data, the information from my production environment in the other version, in the 10 version, to the 11 version.